S&S Sansei Technologies has developed a new coaster model that could be the roller coaster of the future. The new Axis model uses state-of-the-art rotating vehicle technology that will have riders in chaos as their car freely flips and sways side to side. The Axis coaster will feature elements that have never been done before, unleashing new experiences for thrill seekers. After much work and testing, S&S has put this model on the market. So which theme park might be the first to try out this brand new Axis coaster? Find out next. Hey everyone, this is Hale from Destination Thrills, and as you have probably seen, S&S Sansei Technologies has been the talk of the roller coaster community the past few weeks with their unveiling of their newest ride model, the Axis coaster. What has everyone buzzing is the innovative rotating vehicle technology used on the ride. This new technology allows the coaster cars to rotate riders 360 degrees from side to side. Although the cars will not have a controlled rotation, S&S says they will design the layouts purposefully to make sure the car rotates at certain points of the ride to avoid discomfort. Now, S&S has already tested this model at their facility, which proved to be a success. So, as you can see, this model has been fully developed and is ready to come to life, but who will be the first buyer? In my opinion, one of the parks in China will likely be the first to go in on the Axis coaster, as many of those parks have been expanding rapidly in the past few years. And S&S has seen some success in that market with their air launch coaster. Now, unfortunately, my knowledge of those theme parks are very limited, so it would be hard for me to pinpoint a specific park. Therefore, in this video, I am just going to focus on which North American theme parks will be the first to purchase the Axis model. Now, to determine which North American parks could purchase this model, we will be factoring in which parks have a current relationship with S&S, which parks have the capital to invest in such a coaster, and which parks are likely to get a new coaster in the next 5 years. Alright, so let's jump right into my predictions. The Six Flags chain has partnered with S&S over the last several years on many projects, mostly consisting of the S&S 40 free spins. This coaster has been installed at a majority of their theme parks now, including one this year called Batman the Ride at Discovery Kingdom. 2019 also saw the addition of an S&S air launch coaster, Maxx at Six Flags Great America. So if I had to pick a chain at this time that would get the Axis coaster, I would go with the Six Flags chain. Now, the first Six Flags park that comes to mind is Six Flags Fiesta Texas. Fiesta Texas has been receiving several expansions over the recent years, including the first ever RMC single rail coaster known as Wonder Woman Golden Lasso Coaster. This park is also considered a test park, which means that they tend to receive the chains first of a certain model. Not only did we see this with the RMC Raptor model, but we also saw the first S&S 40 free spin coaster, Batman the Ride, installed at Fiesta Texas. So if Six Flags were looking to try out the S&S Axis coaster, it would likely come to the San Antonio park. There is also some recent competition with the expansion of SeaWorld San Antonio, so an innovative ride experience like the Axis coaster would really make this park stand out. If Fiesta Texas does purchase this model, I could see this coming as early as 2022. Now, if Fiesta Texas doesn't get the Axis model, then I could see it going to Six Flags Great America. Six Flags Great America, located just outside of Chicago, receives a lot of investments. In the last 10 years, the park has added 5 roller coasters. So although they just added Maxx, we could easily see another big coaster coming to this park in the next few years. And with Great America being one of their bigger parks, why not build a coaster that no other park has? The Axis model would be a great addition to Great America's already stacked lineup, and could put them near the top of the best roller coaster collections in the country. The park really seems to like S&S coasters as well, as they have added 2 in the last 3 years, Joker 40 Free Spin and Maxx Force. So it would not be shocking if the first Axis coaster comes to this park. If Six Flags Great America were to build this coaster, it could come as early as 2022 or 2023. Finally, there is one park that will definitely be looking at this model closely, and that is a place known as the roller coaster capital of the world, Cedar Point. Cedar Point has a reputation of building the best of the best. They are also known for innovative, groundbreaking roller coasters. I mean, they built the world's first 200-foot tall coaster, world's first 300-foot tall coaster, and the world's first 400-foot tall coaster. So of course it would make sense for them to add the world's first Axis coaster. Another added benefit of adding this Axis model would be that this style of ride is completely different and unique to all the other thrill machines in the park. With 17 roller coasters in your arsenal, it can be tough to differentiate the experiences. An Axis coaster would be a new and exciting addition and definitely something Cedar Point is capable of pulling off. If Cedar Point does add this model, I could see it come as early as 2023, as that is when I'm predicting the park will receive its next coaster. Now, let's get to some honorable mentions. We have Six Flags Magic Mountain, Six Flags New England, Six Flags Over Georgia, and yes, Six Flags Discovery Kingdom. Again, Six Flags has been working with S&S, so if Great America or Fiesta Texas don't receive the Axis coaster first, it could go to these 4 parks. Kennywood is also in the running since this park seemed to be very happy with the Steel Curtain roller coaster that opened this year, which was manufactured by S&S. Another park that might be interested in this model is Kentucky Kingdom. Even though they typically have a smaller budget, I could see Kentucky Kingdom building a smaller, compact version with the air compressed launch. So these are the parks I believe could get the first S&S Axis coaster. Leave a comment below as to which parks you would like to see add this brand new coaster concept. And as always, if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to Destination Thrills, the destination for all the latest theme park news and content. I'm Hale. Thank you for watching and have a good one.